Hey guys, this is Neville, and today I'm going to talk about laser technology. Some quick facts on it, untrue science. Well, you may all wonder what's so different from a laser and a flashlight. Well, in a flashlight, the beams are more diverse and move in different direction. However, in a laser, the light waves move together, which means they're coherent. Well, how does it actually work? It works through the flash lamp, which is basically the energy provider other than the energy coming from the batteries. Well, the flash lamp gives up photons, light particles, which is also known as energy, which is absorbed by the ruby rod. The ruby rod could also be known as the active medium. So the active medium transmits the energy at one side, so if it goes through this side, it gets reflected by the mirror, and these two mirrors are called the feedback mechanism, and when it reflects or transmits back the energy back to the ruby rod adds up the energy as it keeps getting photons from both ends. As it keeps increasing energy, it goes through the mirror and gets reflected, making the laser stronger and stronger. Remember, all these happen in the speed of light, so this is quick for the speed of light. And once this happens, it'll be strong enough to pass through the partially reflecting. So without a partially reflecting mirror, there's no way we can make a laser. And therefore, we get output beam. Well, let's see. How does laser used for communication? Well, it's used through optical fibers. Optical fibers is a branch of physics used to study the transmission of light through glass or plastic fibers. These are glass or plastic fibers. This is how they really look like, but they're thin threads in structure. So lasers is used to help it transmit messages such as voice or text messages, or even videos, which can be transmitted, carried by the light, over hundreds and hundreds of miles. Well, let's see how is that possible. Well, the cladding in it helps it to bend and not lose much of energy, helping it to transmit all the necessary amount of images, text, or videos through the light rays. Well, lasers can also be used in the medical community, such as fixing the eye. A lot of doctors use it in modern medical communities, as when a person loses sight. Well, how do we actually see? Well, the lens actually captures the image and portrays it to the retina. The retina transmits the image to the optical nerve, and therefore the person could see. But sometimes the retina detaches out of its position, and if it's not detached too much or damaged by watching too much TV, the laser could still wrench the retina back into its place and helps the retina not come back out of its place again, helping the person to see again. This avoids blood loss in the surgery and amount of time and pain for the person who gets the surgery. Thanks for watching. If you have any burning questions, ask it on the comments.